man.
So what happened?
We were inside that bar down over there. But I said, you can't drive. We got to call a cab, all this stuff. She said, I'm driving. She saw her girl texting me, went crazy. She started punching the shit out of me, sped off in the car, came back here, started beating the fuck out of me.
She was driving?
Yeah.
Or you were driving?
I never drove, man.
So she pulled over here?
Yeah. Punched me 10 times in the face.
You want to press charges?
I don't know yet, man. It's a tough situation.
Is that your girl or?
Yeah.
How long you guys been together?
6 months, 5 months. Tough situation, man.
You want to step out?
Hello.
Step out and talk to us, okay?
Hey, what's going on? It's okay. We're good.
Step out and talk to us.
Just need to figure out what's happening.
Step out and talk to us, please.
You're good. You want to sit? You want to sit over here? How about over there? Just that. What happened?
No, he's acting like he doesn't know what's going on. He knows what's going on.
Okay, I don't know what's going on though. So
He knows what's going on.
Can you tell me what? I want your side of the story though, not his.
He's acting like nothing's going on. Everything is going on.
Okay, well, what happened tonight?
He's like, oh, you're Mexican. I'm like, I'm not.
Okay.
Like, he's just trying to like make everything figure out to his way.
Who is he to you?
He's my boyfriend.
How long have you guys been dating?
For like 4 months.
4 months? Okay.
She just hates that I talk to another girl.
So you've been dating 6 months? You guys live together?
Yes.
You okay? Need an ambulance or anything?
No.
Okay.
He might.
He might?
Yeah, he might.
Why? What happened to him? I mean, I know he's
No,
legal.
I don't know what happened to him. But if I'm asking for an ambulance, he clearly has too.
Okay.
My dad's from Sicily, Italy. And he's over here crying about, oh, I need some medical help. I'm like, for what?
Okay.
Listen, just tell us what happened tonight, okay? I know you're upset, but if you don't tell us what happened tonight, we got to go off his injuries. Alright, he's hurt. You got blood all over your arms.
You can test him.
Listen.
Alright. Honestly, man, it was all calm. She started talking. I have a child with somebody. She started talking about my baby mama. His Father's Day is coming up. I'm supposed to see him.
Alright.
It's alright, just he saw the whole thing.
Leave it down there for me.
Yeah, that's my witness. He saw that
we
shit.
know Kevin. We know
Come
Kevin.
talk to him in a second.
He saw that shit. He saw that.
I'll talk to him. What happened?
You know, I'm over
yeah,
there.
let's go over here.
I didn't see him do anything to her.
Where
seen
they
her-
were parked there the whole time?
For the most part, I kept hearing the yelling and screaming.
Okay.
But he was in the car, and she was beating the shit out of him with the phone, as you can see.
Where was she? Was she in the driver or passenger?
You know, he was in the driver's seat.
Okay.
And she kept opening the door, attacking him. And he just kept saying, stop, help.
She was coming around and...
She was coming around, opening the door, slamming the door.
Yeah.
I didn't see him at all be aggressive, at all. All he kept doing was saying, stop, stop, stop. That's, you know.
Okay.
I didn't see him do anything. I didn't see him at all touch her. She was and then when he finally got the door closed, she got the door back open and then got in and was like getting in the car, attacking him, trying to pull him out of the car. And then eventually she was the one in the car and he was just out, and I said, you need to call the police. So I just went over and just got him a bag of ice because I didn't see him. I didn't see him touch her at all.
Okay.
He was just screaming for help.
So tell me what happened, okay? You gotta tell me your side, or we gotta go off that.
He was just like, we can go. Just be okay. And I'm like, be okay with what?
What happened? Okay, you guys are driving here. You got in an argument.
We didn't drive here.
Where you? This is your vehicle. Where are you coming from?
Mexicano.
I know that you've been drinking, but evidence is showing us that you physically hit him. Okay?
How did I hit him?
Listen, it doesn't matter. Evidence is showing that right now. I'm telling you straight up. What we have right now is domestic battery. You guys are in a relationship.
How do we have domestic?
That is a crime. Okay?
No,
So
but
what I'm
really
trying to
think
get-
about
gotta
it.
get
If you
your
really
side.
want to put that on me,
You got to.
How
I don't.
so how would you put
I
that
don't
on?
want to put it on.
So how would
Evidence.
you?
The evidence is pointing to that. You have to articulate what happened in order to debunk the evidence. You have to tell me what happened.
You're full of blood and he has scratches. So you have to tell us what happened, what you did, what happened in the car, so that we can have two sides of the story.
Right now, we just have our evidence. We have what we've seen.
You have blood on your shirt, your leg, everything else. He has scratches and blood all over his face. You're not telling us anything about what you did or didn't do.
Ambulance or anything? Toes all fucked up. You lost your whole nail, man. Ambulance, no?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right. You guys live together currently or no? You want to press charges?
No.
Okay.
Is this? I mean,
Hey, normal, man.
okay. Well, I can't make that happen. But I mean, tonight, like I said, man, you got goosed pretty bad. So, you guys, is this end of your relationship? You think? I mean, this ain't normal. This ain't good.
Can I tell you something real quick?
Absolutely.
Can I tell you something real quick?
Go ahead.
It's not like this though, man. She's an alcohol problem. And I've been
You
taking
think
her to rehab, doing all this stuff.
So she's angry
So
drunk.
the problem is she had a drink, and then that makes her a total different state than she is in a normal situation.
Yeah.
So she's
I swear to
angry
God in my
drunk.
life.
I got you.
swear to God.
Okay,
in my life.
no.
She's such a different person when she's sober. That's why it's hard for me to press charges.
What's your drink? Like what's her liquor?
Tequila. And I watched it. Like the bartender in there is fucked up because he was trying to fuck her over. He was trying to fuck her.
I'm fine.
It's not about you. What happened in the car?
I don't.
Was there anything physical happen in the car?
How did he get the marks? How did you get blood all over your hands? How did you get blood all over your sleeves?
Get what blood?
Ma'am, you have blood. Look at your arms. You see that all the blood on your hands right there? You see all the blood on your...
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna tell him. Like, I'm going with these.
You're not going to say what?
Whether you press charges or not, she goes to jail.
This due to your injuries, and it's nothing against you. It's not.
It's Florida State.
You can press the charges. She'll be released in the morning, most likely. However, I'm letting you know so there's no surprise. I'm not a bullshitter, man.
We're not.
I respect everything, your choices, everything, and
You got injuries.
she has to go. I don't have a choice. It's per state statute. Like I said, they'll drop the charges in the morning. That's on them. But for your safety and us, and I know it's upsetting, and that's why I'm being a man-to-man to you. I don't have a choice in this. So, like I said,
You want Fire's here? Do you want them to look at you, man? Clean up some of your stuff?
I know he's got his
I don't
name.
have insurance right now.
They're not.
You don't have to take a ride.
If they clean up your stuff, you don't have to ride them.
Okay.
Yeah, just he got his nail ripped off and everything. It was domestic related. So
All right.
I mean,
You just need to be cleaned up.
yeah, just take.
I
Take-
swear to God, I didn't do anything.
Man,
Nobody's
Look.
accusing you.
It sucks that I do.
Give me a second.
I'm the one who's been abusing the relationship, and I try all the time to make it right, but she fucks me up all the
I got
time,
you.
so I gotta walk away from this shit.
And like I said, that
I have to walk away.
that guy
from
said you
this.
did nothing wrong.
I did do one thing, I swear.
That guy said you never put a
I
hand
would
on him.
never,
So-
I got
so-
I would never ever put my hands on a girl. I swear.
Absolutely.
That's why it was scary. She started throwing my shit at my face.
I got you.
She ripped my shirt
He
off.
saw everything.
She threw me on the floor.
You're-
I didn't want it. I just don't want to get in trouble.
Okay. So go over there, let him clean you up.
He's gonna go with you. I'm gonna get her information.
Then what happened? I mean, you started hitting him?
No.
Well, what happened?
He started getting mad.
You got mad?
He didn't hit me.
Well, obviously you have no marks on him. Why did you get the blood? You get the blood on your hands.
What?
There's blood right here. This is blood right here. This is blood on your legs.
Blood. Striking hands.
Look, your
Have
leg
blood
is
all
full
over-
of blood.
Blood all over your legs. Blood.
So how did you get blood on you?
I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to. Please.
Where's her?
You have shoes? You don't have any shoes in the car?
Take her to the station. I'll find her shoes. I just need to get her ID. I'll go with.
Look, can you tell me?
Yes. Well, tonight, going to jail for domestic battery.
Why
He doesn't
am
want
I-
to press. He doesn't want to press charges, though. However, by state statute, if there's injuries and I can determine a primary aggressor, you have to take the ride to jail. He's going to get checked out by the ambulance because he's missing a whole toenail and some other injuries. He's got a big cut behind his ear.
A whole toenail? He's been missing that for fucking 3 hours.
Okay, I got you.
That's not funny.
Just have a seat.
It's really funny.
It's not funny.
No, it is funny because he's lying to you. So he's fucking with your head.
Okay.
So your head got fucked with.
Okay. I'm.
No, it did.
Yeah, I like you over there.
No, what's that?
Let's go, get over here. We're not playing right here.
What is that? So who's knocking?
Somebody upstairs. You see him upstairs?
No, it's not.
Let's go.
upstairs.
Let's go. Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
Stop. No. No.
Let's go inside.
Go.
Stay right here.
Go. Push it harder.
Stay right there. Don't do anything.
What? What am I doing?
What are you out to have with that for? Stay right there. Mr. Then, can you just relax? How many times have we talked about this? If you relax, we go home. Do you want to see Zachary tonight? So you're gonna relax. But if you act up, you're not gonna go home. I'm trying to get you to go home. So just relax. Just calm down, relax. Okay?